everyone, this is Chef Angela Michelle of Culinary Kisses. Welcome. So today I am showing you my fabulous recipe for garlic toast. It is so good and so simple to make, okay? So we are going to get started right now. And if you want to download the recipe, make sure you check below because I will have the recipe embedded in the description of this YouTube video. So make sure you check it out, all right? I'm gonna switch you guys over. Those of you who know how I do, I work with 2 cameras. I've actually been doing virtual cooking classes for 8 years. I know it's the thing to do now, but actually I was one of the first chefs to do so. And with doing that, I use 2 videos because I like for you guys to see what I'm doing up close and personal, right? You can see everything. All right, so let me switch my videos over so you can see what is happening if it cooperates with me. There we go. All right, so you see I have a loaf of the bread sitting here, and it's quite a long loaf. So actually a baguette, you guys see that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this guy out, and I want to show you how to cut this. So you see here I have a serrated knife. That's with the knife that looks like has like the little teeth at the bottom. And from here, I want to cut the bread on a diagonal, just like this. So you're literally cutting it at like 45 degrees. So I'm gonna cut that butt off and shoo him away. And then the other pieces, I'm just gonna give them a nice slice. Now what this is doing is, instead of cutting it across, cutting it at a diagonal, you're increasing the surface area, which means more area for more goodies to go on top. Yes. And you can see how thick or thin it is. See? Okay. So I have a sill pack here on top of a 1/4 sheet baking pan. I'm just going to lay the bread that I've sliced right on top of this pan. Let me see. I could do a couple more, right? Get a couple more of these guys in here. Let's do one more. I don't want to do too many. All right, so I'm going to finish up this bread later. And what I want to do from here is I want to go ahead and get these in the oven. So you see how they're just laying out there? You know what? That's not even. I'm going to cut one more. But I have my oven preheated at 450 degrees. That's preheated at 450 degrees. Okay? Now, normally your oven comes with 2 racks, one on the bottom and one on the top. We want this rack, this pan to go on that top rack of your oven. Again, 450 degrees, and there's nothing on this bread. I just want it to get a little toasty on top, and you'll see why in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that in there. And now we're going to talk about the topping. So I need you guys to come a little closer here. Come a little closer. Now I have just a small saucepan. See, it's not that big, not that deep. Tell by my finger about the size of it. Okay, so I'm going to get that down and put it on medium-high heat. While that's preheating, I am going to get some of the ingredients together. Now, for this garlic toast, what you need is some minced garlic, and I'm using fresh garlic, some butter. I'm using vegan butter. Those of you who know me know I don't do dairy. Here is some chopped parsley, and then I have some salt. You can tell that's like a larger grain salt, okay? So I'm literally just going to dump all of this into my pot, into my pan, my little saucepan here. Everything goes in there, just like that. All right, make sure you get all those nooks and crannies, all those goodies in there. And literally, the only thing we want to do is to kind of melt the butter and let those ingredients kind of infuse with the butter. So you have the garlic, the parsley, the salt. We will just want everything to infuse with that butter. Okay? So I'm going to let that hang out there for a bit. And I'm going to talk about something else. So this recipe I actually developed for my bolognese pasta. So I wanted you guys to see what that looks like. I have some sitting here. The pasta sauce is my recipe. You can literally make fresh pasta. Here, come take a look at that. Look at that. Fresh pasta and homemade pasta sauce within an hour. You can get it done within an hour. Trust me, because I've done it a few times actually, with students and without. Okay, so that's hanging out there ready to go. I'm gonna put a little bit of pasta water in here. A little bit of pasta water, maybe like a ladle and a half. There. We're gonna let that hang out because when this garlic toast is done, I'm serving it up with some of that good stuff right there. So I'm gonna turn the heat off. Now you see we're getting like a little sizzle here with our butter and parsley and garlic and salt. So now is the time to turn the heat completely off. Just turn the heat completely off because I don't want to burn the butter. I don't want like a brown butter sauce. So if you keep cooking it, that's what it's going to turn into. I want the butter to just slightly melt, heat up enough to where it's infusing with the goodies that we have in there. And the goodies being the garlic, the parsley, and the salt. Just like that. That's exactly what I want going on right there. And remember I said I just want like a slight toast on that bread. So I'm going to give it a gander to see what it looks like, okay? I think we should be pretty close because it doesn't take long to toast up. A couple more minutes. So while that's happening, I'm actually going to go ahead and plate. I'm going to show you guys what this dish looks like. And you can drool now or later. But I promise you, it is definitely drool worthy. All right, so there you have our plate there. Scoot this over a little bit. There we go. Now, the toppings. We need to garnish it with some stuff, right? So I have some grated Parmesan Reggiano cheese. I have some crushed red pepper flakes. The students who've been following me, you guys know I like stuff spicy, right? And then, of course, I have some chopped parsley. Fresh chopped parsley right there. Okay? So I'm going to set that over there also. So our bread just needs a few more minutes. By the time we finish dishing up a plate of this delicious homemade pappardelle pasta with bolognese sauce, then it'll be time to take the bread out of the oven. And then it's just a quick flip here and there, and then you'll be ready to eat. So I'm just kind of getting these noodles mixed around in this sauce. I'm going to show you guys how to plate this. You bring this over here. Something to set this on, just like that. So what I want to do to plate this dish is I literally just want to take my tongs, get in there with the pasta noodles, bring it over to the plate like this, give it a little twist, and just let the noodles fall where they may. That's all you need to do. Just let them fall where they may. All right, so let's do another scoop real quick here. Another scoop of pasta. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Let's see that noodle, that long pappardelle noodle. Give it a little twist. There we go. Now I'm going to add a little bit of sauce on top because I like a little more sauce on my pasta. If you don't want to add more sauce, you don't have to. This is personal preference here, so just go for what you know, okay? If you don't like a lot of sauce, don't put it on there. If you like yours extra saucy, then go ahead and make it extra saucy. All right, there, that looks pretty good, right? I need a little noodle. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I just want one right on top, just like that. That's perfect. All right, so now clean up that edge just a little bit right there. Now what I want to do is get my toppings on here, right? So I'm going to add a little bit of cheese right on top. Okay, this is going to be my husband's plate. He loves cheese, so let me go ahead and get another pinch on there. Just like that. I'm going to put some fresh parsley on the pasta and on the plate. Just a little bit, just like that. Now, if this were my plate, I would be adding some of these on here, crushed red pepper flakes. But he isn't a fan of it, so I'm not going to add it. Cover my sauce back up here so it can stay warm. Now let's check on the bread. Oh, the bread's ready. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right, so let me show you guys this bread. Can you see that? And you see how it's just slightly crunchy on top? That's exactly what I want. That's exactly what I want. And let me show you why. Let's come back over because you need to see how I finished this dish off. So let's scooch all these guys over. I'm finished with the garnish, so garnish be gone. Garnish be gone. All right, and I'm gonna set this right up here so you guys can see the action up close. There. There you go. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Now this sauce, topping for our garlic toast. I'm just gonna give it a little stir. That's all. Now, I'm gonna take my bread. Now typically, you can let it cool off a bit if you want, but if you don't want, just go for it. So I'm gonna take a piece of the bread, like this, toasted side down. Toasted side down. Goes into the butter and garlic and parsley. You guys see that? Just right in that pan, just like that. Give it a little wiggle around like that. Let it soak up some of that stuff, and look at that. Can you see that? Okay, let's come back over here so you can see up close. Can you see that? Yes. Put it right on that plate, just like that. All right? I'm going to do another piece. I think I'm going to do 3 pieces because my husband loves this bread. I'm just saying. All right, so let me scoop this over. I want you guys to see everything. So let me scoop all of this over. Scoop that over. And now, oh yeah, you can see good. Okay. I'm going to bring the sauce to you this time. All right, just like that. And I'm going to put my bread down in the sauce. Let it soak up some of that goodness in there. Okay? Up some goodness. Take the bread and swish it around if you need to. Just like that. And when you lift it up, this is what you have. Come in close. You need to see this. You need to appreciate this. Look at that. Yes. All right, and down on the plate it goes. Like I said, I know he loves this bread, so let me get him another piece. That's a nice big piece. Right? Squish, just like that. Down on the plate it goes. And there you have it. That's our finished dish. Let me set that guy aside so you can really get a good look at him up close. There you go. There's our pasta. Pappardelle pasta with bolognese sauce, all made from scratch, all done within an hour. And as you see with the toast, you really only need an extra 10 minutes to get that toast in here and get it done. It does not take long at all. So that's our finished dish, guys. That's it. So here, let me bring me back so you guys can see me. Hey, how you doing? All right, so that's my recipe for garlic toast that goes with my fresh pappardelle pasta with homemade bolognese sauce. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is Chef Angela Michelle, Culinary Kisses. I don't know which side it's on. I actually forgot, but make sure you click to follow me on YouTube. So many more videos coming, so many more videos on there. So make sure you check out our channel. Kind of, take a little time to surf around. I think there's another video coming up too. So if you want to stay tuned, you can watch that. Otherwise, subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click the little bell thingy so you know when we upload videos. But until next time, food and kisses. Bye. See you guys later.